Hello, my name is Victoria from Cisco TAC. In this video, we're going to show you how to collect the full system snapshot from the Expressway. From the web interface of the Expressway server, navigate to Maintenance, then Diagnostics, and then select System Snapshot. On the System Snapshot page, you will see three options: Create Status Snapshot, Create Log Snapshot, and Create Full Snapshot. Before clicking Create Full Snapshot, it is very important to note that this will cause the Expressway server to generate the full snapshot log bundle, which can be service impacting since this is a resource-intensive operation. Due to this, it is recommended to create the snapshot after business hours or during a maintenance window. In order to generate the full snapshot, click Create Full Snapshot. Depending on multiple factors, like how long the server has been up and how busy it is, it may take several minutes for this file to generate. While the file is generating, you will see a spinning wheel with the message, "Creating snapshot, please wait," under the Snapshot Status section. Once the file generation is complete, you will see a button to download the file under the Snapshot Status section. Click Download to download the full snapshot log bundle. This file will be in a tar.gz format and will save to your Downloads folder. You can now upload this file to your TAC case. If you have a cluster, please note that this process must be performed on each node in the cluster. Thank you for viewing this video.